Alright guys, if you are not using a reliable hosting like the wordaffiliate.com, you may lose your everything about your website. You may lose all your data. So you want to back up your website manually. In this video, I'm going to show you the step by step how to back up your website manually. So let's get down to it. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your website. So you want to scroll down to tools. Then you want to go to export. So this one is going to ask you if you want to import all about your website. So you say yes, you want to import all your data. So you say download file. So you're going to name your file. You want to download your file to your website, to your computer. So you want to name it. Okay. babyguy.com.wordpress. So that's it. You name your. So you want it to save. Now your website has been back up. Okay, so if anything happened to your website now, you can simply go to your computer and get it back up. Okay, now let's say you want to get this, you want to download this, you want to get it back to our website. Let's go back to tools and go to import. So you want to go here, install now. WordPress, install now, install now. Click, choose file. Now we're just gonna look for the file that we've downloaded just now. We've downloaded this website here to your computer. So you just click open, then your website will be recovered. So guys, that's how you back up your website manually. Drop your comment down below. Let me know what you don't like about this video. Tell me what you like. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Yes.